Alright guys, we're doing it live for this late night Zookeeper, hopefully short video. DeFi money printers going in the big bag wolf turbo pool. Here's Zookeeper, Twitter over on the left at Zoo Farming. We've rebalanced the pool from 4x Zoo rewards to 5x. So you pull 50-50 WAN and Zoo and earn Zoo tokens, and it just got boosted. Zookeeper.Finance/Zoo, and we're gonna find out what the APR is right now of the big bag wolf. Alright, so we're on Wanswap right now, and we funded our wallet with Wanchain. And bring up calculator here just to make things a little bit easier. So we got 375 WAN, and let's just pretend we don't have the 0.29 at the end. 375 divided by 2, so we want 50-50 WAN and Zoo, so I'm going to swap 187.5 WAN and get 929.28 Zoo. And then that's going to leave us with about 50-50 in USD value in WAN and Zoo. And we'll be able to add that to a liquidity pool, which will then give us a Wanswap liquidity pool token for WAN and Zoo. And then we're going to show you what we can do with that next. The Big Bag Wolf Turbo is hungry for Wanswap liquidity pool tokens. So we're gonna feed them. Alright, so here's the deal. First you swapped, now you have 50-50 WAN and Zoo. And we're gonna go to the pool tab and add liquidity. WAN, Zoo. And we're gonna hit max Zoo here. And there's gonna be a little bit of WAN left over. Because it's not exactly 50-50, and you never want to do max WASP. So you always want to have, you never want to do max WAN. You always want to have some WAN left over for gas. So you don't run out of gas and get stuck and can't do anything. So we're going to hit supply. We're getting 363.807 WAN Zoo pool tokens, so we can feed the Turbo Big Bag Wolf times 5. He looks hungry for these tokens. So right now, 1 WAN will get you almost 5 Zoo. A lot of people are thinking that Zoo's the next 100x Axie Infinity-like token, and I guess, you know, I'd have to agree with them all. We're gonna have to show the trailer here for the upcoming ZooRacers game. Open Zoo is coming. Zoo Jeans sold out all 3 rounds in about 30-40 minutes. Zookeeper is going multi-chain. Polygon, Avalanche, Binance Smart Chain, cross-chain NFTs, cross-chain gaming, cross-chain game battles, cross-chain assets. Sell your NFTs on other chains' marketplaces and your boosters, and play against those people, all interoperably, powered by Wanchain bridges. So we're adding the liquidity. Wanchain does it fast and smooth and easy. As we showed in the other video, I'm using Metamask here with Wanchain network added, where WAN tokens are the native currency of Wanchain. Alright, so we have our ZooWan position. We're about 1/100% of the pool share here, so there's quite a big bag in that wolf. I'm just a little tiny shrimp in the turbo bag. Let's pump this bag of Zoo to turbo. Alright, so we're over here at Zookeeper.Finance/Zoo. So we'll just show off all the pulls here real quick. We got WASP, WAN, Raging Main, Leo, Barcode, Brenda, WAN Ethereum, Mel Gibbon. We got WAN/USDT and WAN. Carl Crocs stablecoin pool, WAN/USDT, WAN/USDC. Farm Zoo and WASPs up to 26% APR with very little to no impermanent loss. You can buy an NFT and boost your pool. You can lock your tokens and boost them and get 2 rewards for farming stablecoins. ReferTG Monet, Wanchain and XRP pool. XRP on Wanchain. Do DeFi with your XRP. Be part of the next 100x gaming NFT cross-chain project. Not financial advice. Do your own research. Join the Telegram. Read the documents. Read them all. Look at the insights. Ask questions. Don't get scammed by people either. Don't trust people in your DMs. Elon Tusk, Bitcoin, Wanchain, Elon Tusk, Tony Stripes, the OG, Zoo Wasp pool. And here we go. The single farming Zoo reward. The Big Bag Wolf. And we just got our Wanswap liquidity pool tokens here up to 167%. And maybe we're not connected to the right address. Here we go. Possible. We're gonna refresh the page because we do have those here, and same address. So let's see now. Big Bag Wolf, can you see my food? Yes, you can. Alright, so got those Wanswap liquidity pool tokens available. We're gonna hit max, and you can see the different estimated rewards before doing it. Actually, there's supposed to be usually supposed to be this splash screen, but this might have just been the approved screen. First, you gotta approve the Wanswap liquidity pool tokens to be used in Zookeeper. You can read the audit of both Wanswap and Zookeeper, both audited by Haichi Audits. On Wanswap, Haichi Audit. On Zookeeper, I believe that would be in the documents. On the left, code audit, Haichi Audit. Read the code, ask the questions, do your own research, assess your own risks. A lot of people have found these to be solid projects here, Wanswap and Zookeeper on Wanchain. So here we go. When you hit validate, so the base APR, if you have no booster and no lock time, is 65% APR. So I don't have a booster on this account right here, but we can see, for example, if I lock this one for 90 days, we're getting plus 33% Zoo and an additional 21.45 APR. And we're gonna do it. 90 days. Just gonna have to remember what wallet this is in. I'll have to tend the many farms. I guess that's not a bad problem to have, being a DeFi money printer. Alright, so now we can view staked pools, and you can see we staked $252 here. We're earning 30.7991 Zoo per week. We're getting 86% APR in the Big Bag Wolf Turbo times 5 Zoo weight rewards. 33% boost because we locked it for 90 days. We're approaching $2 million on the Zoo WAN pair. You can see it here on the analytics and other things going on Wanswap. Zoo token from Zookeeper.Finance. Zoo WAN, nearly $2 million. Doing pretty good here, guys. So let's see what's going on with Zookeeper and what's coming up here, guys. Zookeeper. We got Open Zoo coming before the end of the year. NFT marketplace on Wanchain. And we'll be able to have cross-chain NFTs to these other platforms that we're building on as well. Here's all the farms again that we just went over. There is NFT crafting in this, where you can combine two NFTs and create a new one. There's the Safari Stake Zoo to earn more Zoo. The Zoorena, join a clan and guess which clan is going to win the Zoorena battle. Wager on different events to happen during the event. You can view the previous events, see what happened in them. Some very cool stuff going on here at Zookeeper.Finance. In the market, there's Zoo boosters that you can add to your farms. So look at these very high boost rewards. 80% Zoo boost rewards, minus 16 lock time. So you're getting a boost on the boost and a less lock time for even getting the boost. So you can determine which one is right for you. You know, some of these very high percentage boost. There's some people bringing some fat stacks in here, and you know, these can be very helpful in making that even bigger for you. So check out the market there. There's a lot of stuff going on. There's also Zoo Elixirs for the crafting of the NFTs. Make sure you check out the Zookeeper Medium. All these announcements are here. And we did mention ZooRacers. So let's stop the music here. ZooRacers multi-chain battle carts is coming. Partnered with Yggdrasil out of Thailand. We're going to watch the teaser here. I'm sure you guys have all seen this, but we all want to see more, so we're just going to watch it again. We're going to be able to use our Zoo Genes in ZooRacers and Zoo NFTs and Zoo Boosters and Zoo Elixirs and Zoo Tokens. Look at that. The apple of lore blowing up. Throwing it off the cart. Tony's slamming it. Pedal to the metal. ZooRacers multi-chain battle cards. Now, doesn't that look amazing? Well, I think that is it for this short Zookeeper update. We're in the big bag wolf. We showed the platform. There is, the insights page here. Zookeeper is just at an $11.3 million market cap. We're at 13 cents. There's 83.6 million circulating Zoo. 83% total Zoo locked on the platform. Many people are using this. The estimated max supply of Zoo is 261.6 million. And this varies because of those various boosters on the different farms. You can see all the different information about the NFT purchases and different NFT classes here. See what people are buying and selling for. And these will be on OpenZoo as well. Make sure you check out all the links here. Telegram, Discord, Twitter, Medium, YouTube, Reddit, GitHub, forum. You can buy Zoo merch. There's lots to do here at the zoo, and there's just going to be a lot more, so pay attention to what's going on here at Zookeeper.Finance. And don't forget to follow me at DeFi FUD-Destroyer DeFi Money Printer on YouTube. And I'm DeFi Money Printer in Discord and Telegram. Alright, DeFi Money Printer, I'm out.